Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to insert a custom watermark on your YouTube videos. Open your favorite browser. Go to youtube.com. Click on the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Select the Google account you want to use. If you are signing in for the first time, you may be asked to enter your email address, enter your password and click next. You are signed in to your YouTube account. Now click on your profile picture at the top right corner of the page. Select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. You will be redirected to your channel dashboard page. Now in the left sidebar, click on Customization. Scroll down to bottom of the page. You can find a section called Video Watermark. Click on the Upload button. Select an image on your computer. You can either choose your brand logo or just a subscribe button image. Crop or adjust the image as per your requirement. Click Done to apply the changes. Now under the display time, you can find three options: end of the video, custom start time and entire video. It is always better to choose the entire video option. Select your preferred option and click Publish to apply the changes. That's it. Changes has been applied. Now go to your channel page to view the changes. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is how you can insert a custom watermark on your YouTube videos. Thank you for watching.